What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It's Dad from Dad Simply Cooking, and today we're simply surviving. Today we're making stuffed biscuits. I made stuffed biscuits before. There's another video if you just want to use canned biscuits. Today we are going to be using homemade biscuits. So what we want to start with first, we want to start with our sausage and egg mixture that's going to go in our biscuits. That way they're cooled down by the time we start cooking. So the first thing that we want to start doing is we're going to get our sausage. Yeah. And I found for this recipe for stuffed biscuits, I've never done it homemade stuffed biscuits, but it's going to be about the same. 6 sausage patties of the Schwartz sausage. Say hi. Say good morning. So in my Helix pan, I'm just going to put while our sausage cooks, we're going to go ahead and start making some biscuits. So in this bowl, we're going to sift 2 cups. You can do it. Hold up. We got self-rising flour here. And our recipe calls for 2.5 cups. Yeah, 2.5 cups of self-rising flour. And then we're going to just simply sift. Go ahead. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 425. 1 stick of butter. We're just going to start mashing it in. We're going to go with a cup of buttermilk. You can come pour the milk in. Are you going to come pour this? Are you going to come pour the milk in? Okay, well, come on. Slow and steady. There we go. Good job. That's all we need. And then we're just going to combine that in. Yeah, all-purpose flour. We're just going to sprinkle our countertop. Get a little on your hand. Then we're going to take that dough. We're going to plop it on the counter. And then we're just going to start kneading it in together. I got it. I don't want your hands to get dirty, because you're not going to like your hands dirty. So once we get into an area, we can start folding it over. I know. It's called flour. Don't try it, it's gross. Now, if we're still having a little issues with some flour, you can always pour a little more buttermilk. Yeah. And fold it. And then fold it.
You try it.
Fold it again.
What?
This is where you start getting your layers. You like a good layered biscuit.
Move it out.
So then we get our roller. With our dough, we're going to take the second largest one we have. And we're just going to cut our biscuit. Cut a biscuit. Cut a biscuit. Biscuit. Biscuit.
I want to roll it.
And then we take that. Okay, what? Right here. And then push down. There you go. Okay, well, let's go to this corner. Right there.
One more.
I think we can get one more.
One more?
Yep, right there. Good job.
I want one more.
And we're just going to mash our sausages on up. Alright, so then we're just going to take our eggs.
Yeah.
And we're going to crack them.
Yeah. I want to crack it.
You want to crack them?
Yeah.
Can I do it? Here, let me do it. Can I do it? Yeah. So we're just gonna mix our sausage and our eggs up. Get everything nice and coated. Mayo. I'll let you season it. Pepper. We'll put some salt in. Then we always add a little milk in because it makes it. It makes it so we have a little bit more. I go with cheddar because cheddar is better. So we're gonna take our biscuit. Okay. Okay. What are we making? Sausage and eggs and stuffed biscuits. So I know how to adjust. And cheese. Okay. I'm gonna take a little bit of cheese and just put it right there. Alright. So we have our egg mixture cooked down. I always like to use the 1/4 cup for my mixture. I do about half of it. And I just put it on the biscuit. Like that. And then we're just going to fold. Fold. And we're going to kind of have it look like that. And then we're just going to push that together. Get it nice and folded over. And onto our pan. For our next biscuit. Flatten it out. We're going to cheese it. You gonna put some more cheese up there? Okay. Put some more up there. Yeah. Good job.
I mean more.
It's not poo-poo, baby. So we're just gonna roll out our biscuits, get them nice and how we want them. Like that. Find a way how you want to fold them best. Yeah, push it down a little bit, that's fine. Just like that. Pan and stuffed biscuits, we're gonna throw them in the oven. Alright, and we're back, y'all. I pulled them out of the oven. Oh, look at that. Yes. Oh, yes, oh, yes. Perfect homemade stuffed biscuits. And it doesn't take that long. It takes the same amount of time with canned biscuits. I mean, I kind of feel like it was a little bit faster, but I don't know. I could be wrong. Let's try one. Oh, perfect. They're hot. Mm. They're buttery. They're delicious. Appreciate y'all taking time watching my videos and being here. It means a great deal. I love sharing ideas and recipes and trying new things with y'all, because this isn't new, but some of the recipes that I do try, they're new, and I enjoy trying new things and experiencing them with y'all. So thanks for being a part of my channel and being a part and staying here and checking things out. And I look forward to what's coming. So thank y'all. I appreciate y'all. Have a blessed day. Catch you next time.